What's good, Emar gang? So I am pranking Inaya today. Hey. But I'm pranking Inaya today, guys. She's cooking right now, so she don't know what's going on. She doesn't know that she's running right into the prank zone, man. Went and picked this up at the store. Fake blood, yes it is. I'm gonna make it seem like I'm coughing or whatever like that, coughing up blood, and I know she's gonna be super worried, like, yo, what's the hell wrong with him? What am I gonna do? She probably might call my mom. So we're gonna see how it goes, but I'm gonna go set up the camera. Ooh, this is my song. Ooh. Hey. Alright, let's get into it, man. Okay, guys. Let's do this. Girl. I don't know if this is okay for my face, but we won't find out. Oh, shit. Let me hide. Let me put this. Shit. Babe.
Marvin! You okay?
No,
Mom!
no.
Mom! He's bleeding!
Oh.
Marvin, what's wrong with you? Marvin, what's wrong with you? What's wrong, Ma?
What happened, baby?
I was just coughing and blood just came up.
What?
I was coughing.
Coming from where?
Huh?
Marvin. Coming from where, baby?
No, I was coughing.
Sit. Have a sit. Let me see your hand. Is it coming from your mouth, Marvin?
Yeah.
Have a sit. Have a sit.
No, I'm good.
Ma. Okay. Just use that water. Use some water. Okay, what? Put some water in your face, boy. What is this? Really?
Inaya, it's a prank. It's a prank.
Sorry.
You know, I got you. You know? That's it. You know what I'm saying? It's a prank, man.
Don't do that!
Come on.
I did not tell you. Sorry.
Hey, T Marvel, the best team in the league, man. Best team in the league, man.
I saw that!
Hey, yeah. Hey, babe, come here. You gotta say something in the Emar game, man. Hey, babe, you gotta say something in the Emar game, man.
Don't do that for real!
I'm sorry, baby. Oh, I'm sorry. Give me a kiss. Give me a little kissy kiss. I'm sorry, baby. You good, baby? Sorry, baby, but you knew I had to prank you. Baby.
Sorry!
Baby.
No!
Mom, we got her good, right, Mom? Mom, we got her good, man. We got her good. Mom, say T Marvel.
T Marvel.
T Marvel is the best, man. got a good, man.
I'm about to cry.
Hey guys, make sure you like and subscribe, comment, all of that, man.
No,
if
no,
you really,
it's alright. I'm gonna get you that. I can't. I did not expect that. I thought something was
hey guys, but like I said,
Oh
man,
my God,
make sure you give this video a thumbs up, man,
Where is
if you
that?
liked it.
What?
What?
Is that? Where you got this from?
Is what?
What blood is that?
It's right.
My heart was beating so fast.
It's right here. It's the fake blood right here.
You bought it?
Yeah, I
You
brought it.
sad, dog.
How I'm
Really?
sad, but I got you.
Oh my god, my heart was beating so fast. I just see blood everywhere.
Emar game, the best game.
When did y'all plan this? I can't believe
Hey.
The funny thing is, I was gonna be like, Mom, we should prank Marvin. I can't. I don't
Oh,
know
you
what
can't?
to do.
Hey,
You
say
get a
T
good
Marvel
angle.
though.
You better have
Say-
gotten a good
hey,
angle.
Hey, T Marvel. Say it.
No, babe,
Say it.
what was wrong with you, bro? My heart is like, boom, like beating. I was trying to pick you up. I'm like, what's wrong with this boy? Why is he coughing out blood?
Alright guys, that's it for today, dog. But make sure you give us a thumbs up if you like this video, guys. And I will prank you now again, so just stay
Please
tuned,
don't.
okay guys? Stay tuned.
I thought something was wrong with you. Don't do that.
Okay, man.
Okay, that's enough. Bye.